Hello everyone, this is Priyadashini Patel and welcome again in the Salesforce training class. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the page layout. So what is the page layout in Salesforce? So page layout allow us to customizations of designs and organizations of details and edit page of records in the Salesforce. So it's a page layout. Also we can use the page layout to control the appearance of fields and appearance of and also control the related list and custom links and standard button and custom buttons also. And it also control the standard and custom button will be visible on the detail page and the related list. So we can make the field we can set the field visibility like we can make it read only required on page layout. Okay, so using the page layout we can work on the fields and button and links. So in Salesforce, whenever we're talking about the page layout have two basic parts. The first one is palettes. You can see over here, this is the palette, and the second one is in lower section in lower portions. This is called the record page. This is the record page layout and this is the palette. So if we are talking about the palette, so the palette contains the basic elements such as the field, button, quick actions, mobile and lightning actions, and related lists, support charts and all thing. Okay, and if we are talking about the lower portion, so here we can see the details like details of the buttons, details of the fields, and we can manage the fields button from over here. We can, if we want to add some another fields, we can just drag and drop the fields over here. If we want to move any field from the page, we can just move fields from the page. So we can do the thing. We have here two button like save and quick save. If we click on, if we have to continue the editing, then in that condition just choose the quick save. It means whenever we hit on the quick save, we will be the same page, and when we click on the save, it just it will come out from the page layout page. It just come out from this page. And we can also the preview, we can see the preview, we can do the undo and all things. You can see the layout property. So let's take a short tour of page layouts and see the things, how we can do the things over there. Okay, okay. So before going to the page layouts, I want to discuss some things. Like here you can see we have tabs. So we can go to the any object. So here, for now I'm just on the account object, and here you can see the page. So this is the detail page. This is the detail page which we can edit from the, we can edit from the page layout. We can control from the page layout. So every record have the detail page. So this is the detail page of that records. We can check the detail from over here, and we can also edit the details from over here directly. So we can here you can see the fields name like account name, person account, account number, type, industry, annual revenue. So these are the fields, this is account is the object, and these are the fields of that object, which fields contain some value. So we can arrange the order of these fields. We can hide, we can show or hide the fields on the this page. We can make it required, we can make it read only. So if we make it read only, we cannot edit. For now we can edit this field. Okay, but if we make it required, make it read only, then we cannot edit this fields value. We cannot, if we make it required, then whenever we edit the record, we have to give some value in the field. We cannot save the record without filling some value over here. And also we can manage the related list of the account object using the page layout. Like we can edit the fields which we have to see in this over here. We can also manage the buttons on the for the contact object. So we can manage, we can control the related list, also we can control the detail page. So let's go and see from where we can edit at the page detailed details of detail of the page. So for go open the page layout, we have go to the setup. Okay, we just click on the setup and click on object manager, and which object you want to add, which object page layout you want to add it. Just select the page layout. You can also find from here like what you want, you can find from here. So for now I'm just selecting the account. Click on account. Here you can see we have two sections like detail sections, and here it's saying the detail. So it is, these are the options like which details you want to see, sorry, which info, which, here are the sections like field space layout and all things. So you can see the all details, and you can add in, create new fields from over here. For now we have to select the page layout. So just click on the page layout. These are the page layout which already have been created on for the account object. So we have to select the account layout, and you can also create your own page layout from here. So let's add the page layout. Okay, so here you can see, I show you in the pictures, like here is the fields, button, custom links, mobile links, and all these things. Here are the fields names, so you can easily drag and drop on the here. Okay, and on the account information, if you want to add any field, you can just drag and drop. If you want to remove, you can click on the remove. So just suppose I want to add the field like account source. Okay, just drag and just drop. I'm just dropping this field just below the rating. Okay, so remember the position just below the rating. We added the account source, and also we can remove the fields. So for now I'm just removing, just suppose I'm just added the clean status. Okay, for now just check out the things. So here we added the field, and I'm just removing this field, total contact count. So whenever we want to remove any field, we have to click over here. So just click on this and click on quick save. Now let's go to the account detail page and refresh this. Okay, here you can see we just added the cursor just below the rating, so it's showing over here. And we remove the total account field, so we cannot see the total contact field. So we cannot see the total contact field on this page. So this is the way like we can manage the fields. We can also order the fields. So for ordering, let's see. For ordering, just suppose I'm just order the parent account, then account name, then account number, then type, then industry, then annual revenue. Okay, so I just ordered the fields. Now let's again quick save and go to the page and refresh this. Okay, you can see the arrangement. Just I have changes the things, so you can see the arrangement. So you can order the things, order the field name over here, and also you can make it required. So for make it required or make it read only, you can do from here. Just suppose I'm making the account name, it's already required. Just suppose I'm just adding the rating, make it required. I'm clicking on the read only, and click on OK, then quick save. Now just refresh this. Now I cannot add the rating field. Okay, it's not refreshed. Okay, so like working as a system admin, so system administrator have all access, so that we cannot see the changes over here. But if any other user any if I'm logging to any other users or any other user trying to edit this field, so he cannot edit the field, he can only read this field. And you can see it's locked, so you can see it's locked, so we can see we can only read this field. I can edit this field because I'm working as a for now I'm a system admin, and system admin have all permissions, so I can edit this field. But any other user want to edit this field, then he or she cannot edit this field. Okay, so this is the way make it required and make it read only. And what is what is else? Yeah, you can add the button using, you can just drag and drop the button, you can just drag and drop the actions. Like if you want to add any actions, so you can do it also. Just suppose I'm just drag and drop the actions over here. You can also add the quick actions too, so in the quick action sections you can add the quick actions. So this is the way you can arrange the things. Like if you want to add any button, so drag and drop the button in the button section. Okay, so this is the way like you can control, like you can arrange the fields, the buttons, and also yeah, related list. So here you can see we have contact, opportunity, entitlement, all the object in the related list. And if you want to remove, you can remove here from here. If you want to add some properties, you can, like here you remember you can see only title, email, and phone. Let me show again. Here title, email, and phone. You can see only these fields for now. You can edit the fields, you can increase the number of fields. So for this, here available fields, here the selected field. So if you want to show more fields, so you have to select from the available fields. So for select, just click, like we want to show the birth date, so just click on the birth date and add. If you want to select multiple, just press on the control button and select the fields. Okay, and add over here. Okay, and you want to you also arrange the order of these fields. So if you want to put it just up, you can do it. Title, email, title, birth date, email, phone. Okay, now just click on OK. See, hit on OK button and click on save. Let's see the changes. Refresh the page. Okay, so if you want to see the more fields, you have to click on view all. Now you can see title, birth date. Remember we arranged the fields just below the we just set the birth date just below the title, so you can see the order here: title, birth date, email, phone, then assistant, and these all these fields. Okay, so this is the way like how you can add the page layout, how you can manage the related list, how you can manage the detail page. Okay, so this is the way like how you can arrange things. This is the all about the page layout. You can cancel the things, you can preview as from here, and you can see the layout property, so you can see the you can edit if you want to edit the page layout name, you can add it from here, highlight, and you can also show in the consoles if you click on the highlight panel. So you can manage the layout property from here. You can also see the create the mini page layout. If you want to create the mini page layout, you can also create the mini page layout. I'll tell you about this in later. So this is all about the page layout. If you want to create any new page layout, you have to click on new, give the name. If you want to clone any existing page layout, so you can do it, otherwise give the name. Okay, and so this is the new page layout, and here you can see there is no more fields, so you have now you can arrange your page according to your own choice where you want to add the fields. Okay, you can also add the section. Whenever we add the section, just suppose I want I want to add any section over here, so it's asking about the display, so detail page, edit page, and it's asking about the column. So if you choose the two column, you can add you can manage the fields in both the left and right side. If you choose one column, then you can only manage the things only in one column. Just suppose I'm adding some fields over here. If I'm trying to add the field in this side, in right side, it will not allow us. Already it's automatically added all field in one column. So this, whenever we create any sections, so you just careful about the section, like how you want to arrange the fields. Okay, so just click on the save and your page layout has been created. So this is the way, like how you can create any new page layout and how can you edit any existing page layout. So in this video, for now, we are good, and we will meet in the next video. See you soon. Bye. Take care.